Hello, welcome back to Millionaire Mind Frequency 30 Days Attract Money Ritual Challenge under Money Lesson series. And in today's lesson, in Earning Money section, there is a one lesson that give love and respect to money. Unconsciously, you are getting irritated when there is a lot of work of money management, or sometimes when money comes, you get little upset. That is because of your unconscious blueprint in the childhood, and it is showing disrespect to money. So you are stupid, idiot, donkey, I hate you, or I don't like you. If I say all these things to you daily, then you won't like it to be with me for long. The same thing is there. Yes, anything or anyone you criticize for or insult will run away from you. Same, money is a living thing. So if you are getting unconsciously talking that there is a problem because of money, more the money, more is the problem, unconscious self-talk is going on, the money is not going to stay away. If you are not having a good positive emotions about money, money is not going to stay. And if you are showing a negative emotions when the money is there, it is going to be away. So by giving love and respect, we can attract anything and anyone in your life. And I am sure that you have been successful if you have done your love marriage. So give love and respect to money also. Now you might think that money is not a living thing and that can be loved or respected. Yes, but even if you love your vehicle, you respect the book of your religion, similarly you can love and respect money. Think in this way, that if you love things bought from money, like your mobile, laptop, car, house, etc., and we know that the creator is powerful than the creation, so money is the creator of the all things which you have or acquired in the practical world. So why not take more care of it? Such a simple thought. Now throwing money, playing it with, crushing it, putting it in bad situation or dirty place and many more things like this, it is an insult to the money. So never do that mistake in your life, and do these principles very regularly, which I am going to note it down for you. Keep money note unfolded as much as possible. Keep a straight one. Keep it in a clean and a positive place. Keep your wallet good, manageable, and more organized, and declutter the things you don't want, like having some paper or some bus tickets or aeroplane passes, whatever. Keep coins in a different compartment and not with the notes. Don't keep any other paper, bills, cards along with the money notes. You know that in that wallet, the note compartment is different and the card compartments is different. So these are very, very small things that you have to show the love and respect towards money. It is like this: when you welcome any guest, you allow that guest to have whatever place of sitting in the house. It may be on the floor with a mat, it may be in a very simple chair, or it can be in a luxurious sofa, but you welcome the guest whoever comes to your house. So like that, to welcome this money as a living thing, you should have a normal store place where you are giving that place, like a locker or in a cupboard, or a small place or a small box, a treasure box, whatever you call, but have the fixed place to keep the money. Stay tuned.